What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y Performance, and we're going to be doing a 50% ceramic windshield and a 15% front door windows, and then 50% over the factory rear. That way everything matches nicely. So 15% is a good way to maximize privacy and still maintain nighttime visibility. A little bit darker than 20, but not to the point where you have to roll your windows down at night. So we're gonna make this thing look like a stealth fighter when it's all tinted up. It's gonna look so great, and it's gonna keep the customer nice and cool when it gets 120 degrees this summer. And best of all, it's got a lifetime warranty, so it's never gonna turn purple, bubble, fade, any of that craziness you get with cheap film. I use Geoshield. They're right here out of Las Vegas. They make excellent film with excellent heat rejection, and the color is awesome. So let's go ahead and make this Model Y Performance look amazing. And if you subscribe to the channel, you already know it's ghost time. We're gonna get caffeinated so we can do an excellent job on this Model Y Performance. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay tuned to all the future Starbase wraps and Tesla content. Now let's go ahead and get started. All right, and for science, let's see what the factory glass is. So we're at about 85% of infrared heat rejection, metering at 24.5. And on the front windows, we have 75% of infrared heat rejection with 80%. So 100% UV on both windows, but we're gonna get that IRR into the mid 90s, so that way this Tesla will stay nice and cool. We've got our dryer sheet drying up on the windshield here. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the PPF out. The customer also wants their light bar and headlights PPF'd. So I've got two different sets of headlights and light bars on here. And then we've got the PPF loaded up on the plotter with our PPF blade. So go ahead and hit cut here. And then we'll go ahead and cut ourselves out a light bar. Man, that looks good. So that way there's no hand cutting on the lights or anything. The plotter does all the work. So all we have to do is just clean it and install it. And we're getting these headlights protected. These patterns from DigiCut work so great. They align so well and fit perfectly. There's no kind of gaps or anything like that. So once they're aligned, we kind of tack it down and then we squeegee out all that soapy water to make sure it's crystal clear. We're doing the light bar right here. It's a big old long piece of PPF. And we'll do the passenger side headlight and the passenger side light bar. That way they'll be nice and protected from road debris, rock chips, scratches, swirls, all that good stuff. And this film lasts 10 years and has ceramic built into it. And I just wanted to show how careful I am when I do these windshields. So I remove this trim right here. It's really, really easy. Nothing's gonna break, but it's fabric and it has padding in it. So if it gets wet, it's gonna absorb a bunch of water and you can't just wipe it dry because it's like getting a pillow wet, basically. It's just gonna be soaking wet and stink. So I take that all out completely so that way it's not all wet and water stained and stinky and all that stuff. And then I put some tape around the top edge here. That way that doesn't get wet and the fibers from the fabric don't flow back into the windshield. I've got a soak rope in between the dash and the window. That way water doesn't get back in there and short out all your electronics. And then we got a dash towel on there to protect those LED lights and the nice carbon fiber trim on here. We got the screen protected. There's all kind of buttons and all that in the steering wheel, so we got that protected. We got all this protected, the seat protected, and all that good stuff. So it's not just spraying water and sticking it on. Some thought goes into it to make sure that your Tesla is as safe as possible when we're putting window tint on here. Another thing some people do, they remove this. That's crazy in my opinion, because if you remove this plastic, it exposes all the circuitry, and if that gets all wet, then you're in for thousands of dollars of repairs. So I don't even take this off. You don't need to. There's a nice thick black border around here that the tint can go on. There's no need to take any of this stuff off or mess with stuff. You don't want it getting loose and broken or wet or all that. So that's how I do this Model Y windshield. And here we're installing the windshield film. What I like to do is put some Insta-Gel around the edges. That way it helps the film stay in place while I'm rolling it on. And it reduces contamination, because that's the top place you'll get contamination is right around the edges there. So we're laying everything down with our tint brush and doing our first soft pass squeegee just to get it laid down there nice. And we'll do our hard pass squeegee to get the last remaining water bubbles out of there. And we are good to go. This windshield's going to look great and keep the customer nice and cool. And here I'm doing the rear door right here. I'm using a 50% film over the factory tint. That way it'll perfectly match with that 15% we're going to put on the front door windows. So we're just lining everything up and we'll get it all nice and squeegeed down. And again, these digi patterns, they're like perfectly on point. It just looks so good. There's no light gaps or anything like that. And we're just putting the film on the rear hatch here. You can kind of see that tape over that computer. We want to make sure all of our electronics are safe. So I'm just getting that film underneath that third brake light gasket, checking for light gaps. And then we'll get this film laid down so it looks really, really good. We're doing our soft pass squeegee, get everything nice and laid down there. And I think my son came into the garage right here because my tripod fell over and my phone hit the ground. All right, let's see what kind of gains we're getting from this ceramic window tint here. Oh wow, 97. So that's really good. 97% of infrared heat rejection. So infrared heat is the heat that you feel. So this is gonna block a whole bunch of that. Man, I am excited for this customer just to get in the sun and feel the difference. And 95.5%. So that is really, really good. This tint is gonna keep this customer nice and cool. And of course, we specialize in Tesla, so we got to get you charged up before you come pick up your car. And think how clean this car is too. There's not slip solution sprayed all over this thing. We're really careful. We clean it up real good. The interior's not all soaked and stained up. But man, this thing came out amazing. All right, we'll take a quick look around here. Here's the quarter window. We've got the rear window right here. Just 50% on here because it was factory tinted. And then, I mean, look at these edges, man. It's almost perfect. That is so good. And then this is the 15% film on here. We have a 50% windshield. And then that's what 15 looks like if you are looking out. Take a look around here. We did the PPF on the lights, so that's going to keep it nice and protected. That came out perfect. Here's our windshield right here. And man, I mean, this thing looks like a stealth fighter. It's freaking sweet. Look at that. That looks so good. And same thing on the edges on these doors, man. Like, those digi-cut patterns are so good. There's not a huge, you know, half-inch gap up here. These patterns are really, really good. And that is going to do it for this video. We got this Tesla Model Y Performance all ceramic tinted up. And if you want a Tesla in Las Vegas and you want to stay nice and cool with a lifetime warranty ceramic tint, you can go to starbasewraps.com, send me a text, give me a call. I would love to make your Tesla stay nice and cool with this lifetime warranty Geoshield ceramic window tint. I also do paint protection film. We got some vinyl wraps, we got ceramic coatings, paint correction, detailing, whatever you need to make your Tesla look absolutely amazing. So thank you so much for watching. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for all future Starbase Wraps content. We will catch you on the next one.